In an era marked by rapid technological advancements and a shift towards digitalization, 3D printing stands out as a revolutionary innovation, transforming the way we create, design, and manufacture. This technology, known for its versatility and precision, has opened up a plethora of 3D printing business ideas for entrepreneurs, allowing them to turn imaginative concepts into tangible realities. From customized jewelry to intricate architectural models, the realm of 3D printing offers a diverse array of business ideas, each with the potential to reshape industries and create profitable ventures. 3D printing business ideas. Whether you are passionate about fashion, healthcare, or education, there is a niche waiting for you to explore and make your mark. Below, we have compiled a list of 25 promising 3D printing business ideas, each offering a unique blend of creativity, innovation, and profitability. Number 1. Customized jewelry and accessories. In a world where individuality is celebrated, offering customized jewelry and accessories through 3D printing can be a lucrative venture. This business idea allows customers to express their unique style by designing and producing one-of-a-kind pieces. By collaborating closely with customers, entrepreneurs can bring creative visions to life, crafting exquisite pieces that reflect individuality and make cherished keepsakes for years to come. Number 2. Prototyping and product development. Providing prototyping and product development services using 3D printing is another lucrative venture. This service enables entrepreneurs and inventors to transform their ideas into tangible prototypes quickly and cost-effectively. By utilizing the flexibility and affordability of 3D printing, businesses can iterate and refine their designs swiftly, ensuring a seamless transition from concept to a physical prototype. Number 3. Architectural modeling. With the precision and detail offered by 3D printing, architectural modeling has reached new heights of accuracy and realism. By leveraging this technology, entrepreneurs can create intricate and visually stunning architectural models that showcase every aspect of a building or structure. Architects and real estate developers can benefit from these 3D printed models as powerful tools for presentations, design reviews, and even marketing purposes. Number 4. Personalized gifts and keepsakes. Unlock the power of heartfelt gifting with personalized creations made possible through 3D printing. Delight your customers by offering a wide range of customizable gifts and keepsakes that capture precious moments and memories. Whether it's a unique figurine resembling a loved one or personalized home decor items etched with special messages, the versatility of 3D printing ensures that each gift is truly one of a kind. Number 5. 3D printed fashion. Step into the world of cutting-edge fashion with 3D printed designs that push the boundaries of creativity. By blending technology and style, entrepreneurs can establish a fashion brand that captivates fashion-forward individuals in search of avant-garde pieces. Embracing 3D printing allows the creation of unique garments and accessories that showcase intricate details, unconventional textures, and futuristic aesthetics. Number 6. Dental and medical applications. 3D printing has revolutionized the dental and medical fields by enabling the production of customized implants, prosthetics, and anatomical models. Starting a business that focuses on these applications can provide essential solutions to healthcare professionals. The demand for personalized healthcare solutions is ever present, making this a promising field for innovation and growth. Number 7. Educational tools and models. Elevate the realm of education with 3D printed tools and models that ignite curiosity and deepen understanding. As educators seek innovative approaches to enhance learning experiences, entrepreneurs can carve a profitable niche by developing educational materials and models using 3D printing technology. From anatomical models to intricate geological formations, the possibilities are endless in enhancing educational experiences. Number 8. Home decor and art. Offering 3D printed home decor items and artistic creations allows customers to add a unique touch to their living spaces. From intricate sculptures to functional pieces, there is a market for innovative and visually appealing 3D printed products. Entrepreneurs can explore various materials and designs to create items that cater to diverse customer preferences. Number 9. Spare parts manufacturing. In a world where industries rely on maintenance and repairs, offering specialized 3D printed spare parts can be a game changer. With 3D printing, businesses can access cost-effective and efficient solutions for their specific component needs. By providing on-demand production of custom spare parts, entrepreneurs ensure minimal downtime and uninterrupted operations for various industries. Number 10. Food and culinary creations. The concept of 3D printed food is gaining traction. Entrepreneurs can explore the realm of gastronomy by offering unique and visually appealing 3D printed culinary creations, such as intricate chocolate designs or personalized cake toppers. This business idea combines culinary art with technology, offering a novel dining experience to customers. Number 11. Automotive add-ons and customization. Car enthusiasts are always looking for ways to personalize and enhance their vehicles. With 3D printing, entrepreneurs can manufacture customized automotive add-ons, such as unique car emblems or interior accessories, catering to this passionate market. This business idea taps into the automotive industry's demand for customization and innovation. Number 12. Gaming accessories. Enter the exciting realm of gaming with 3D printed accessories that elevate the gaming experience to new heights. As the gaming industry continues to thrive, gamers are constantly in search of innovative ways to enhance their gameplay. By producing 3D printed gaming accessories, such as ergonomic controller grips or custom-designed figurines, entrepreneurs can tap into this lucrative market. Number 13. Cosplay props and costumes. Cosplay has become a popular phenomenon, with enthusiasts attending conventions and events worldwide. Creating 3D printed props and costumes allows cosplayers to bring their favorite characters to life, offering a niche business opportunity. This business idea caters to the growing cosplay community and the demand for high-quality, customized costumes and props. Number 14. Eco-friendly products. Sustainability is a growing concern, and consumers are increasingly seeking eco-friendly alternatives. By utilizing 3D printing technology and environmentally friendly materials, entrepreneurs can produce sustainable products, such as biodegradable utensils or recycled plastic creations. This business idea aligns with the global shift towards sustainability and environmental consciousness. Number 15. Industrial tooling and fixtures. Revolutionize industrial processes with customized tools and fixtures made possible through 3D printing. In various industries, the need for specialized manufacturing tools and fixtures is paramount. By leveraging the capabilities of 3D printing, entrepreneurs can offer tailor-made solutions that enhance efficiency and productivity in industrial settings. Number 16. Electronics enclosures. As electronic devices continue to evolve, the demand for customized enclosures to protect and house these devices grows. By specializing in 3D printed electronics enclosures, entrepreneurs can cater to the needs of electronic manufacturers and hobbyists. This business idea taps into the growing electronics market and the demand for protective and customized enclosures. Number 17. Custom pet products. The pet industry is booming, and pet owners are always on the lookout for unique products for their furry friends. Entrepreneurs can tap into this market by offering 3D printed custom pet products such as personalized pet tags, bowls, and toys. These products can be tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of pets and their owners, creating a niche market with high demand. Number 18. Assistive devices. 3D printing offers the ability to create customized assistive devices that can significantly improve the quality of life for individuals with disabilities. Entrepreneurs can develop a range of products, from tailored prosthetics to adaptive equipment, meeting the unique needs of each user. This business idea is not only profitable but also contributes to social well-being and inclusivity. Number 19. Aerospace components. The aerospace industry requires precision and high-quality components. By utilizing 3D printing technology, entrepreneurs can manufacture specialized aerospace components that meet stringent industry standards. This venture requires a deep understanding of the aerospace industry but offers significant rewards due to the high demand for specialized components. Number 20. Fitness equipment and accessories. The fitness industry is continually evolving, and there is a growing demand for innovative equipment and accessories. Entrepreneurs can leverage 3D printing to create customized fitness gear such as ergonomic grips, personalized weights, and tailored equipment. This business idea caters to fitness enthusiasts and professionals seeking to enhance their workout experience. Number 21. Marine equipment. The marine industry has specific needs when it comes to equipment and components. Entrepreneurs can specialize in creating 3D printed marine equipment such as custom boat parts, fishing gear, and underwater equipment. This niche market offers opportunities for innovation and caters to the unique requirements of marine applications. Number 22. Robotics and automation. With the rise of robotics and automation, there is a growing demand for customized components and solutions. Entrepreneurs can venture into creating 3D printed robotic parts and automation systems tailored to various applications. This business idea is at the forefront of technological advancement and offers significant growth potential. Number 23. Musical instruments and accessories. Music enthusiasts and professionals are always seeking unique instruments and accessories. By utilizing 3D printing, entrepreneurs can create customized musical instruments and accessories, offering a unique sound and design. This business idea caters to the diverse and creative world of music, providing opportunities for innovation and customization. Number 24. Themed merchandise. Fans of movies, TV shows, and video games are often eager to collect themed merchandise. Entrepreneurs can capitalize on this by offering 3D printed themed merchandise such as figurines, replicas, and collectibles. This business idea taps into the passion of fandoms and offers a wide range of possibilities for creative expression. Number 25. Agricultural tools and equipment. Agriculture is a vital industry, and there is a continuous need for efficient tools and equipment. Entrepreneurs can specialize in creating 3D printed agricultural tools and equipment designed to meet the specific needs of farmers and agricultural professionals. This business idea offers opportunities to contribute to the agricultural sector and develop innovative solutions for sustainable farming. Conclusion. Embarking on a 3D printing business venture is an exciting journey into a world brimming with possibilities and innovation. The diverse array of ideas listed above showcases the versatility and potential of 3D printing business ideas across various industries. Whether you are drawn to the creative realms of fashion and art or the technical fields of aerospace and robotics, there is a niche for every aspiring entrepreneur. By harnessing the power of 3D printing, you can turn imaginative concepts into tangible realities, create value, and carve your path to success in this ever-evolving landscape.